In this video, I'm going to show you how to download your CV from LinkedIn in just a few simple steps. This is a quick and useful method if you want to save your profile as a PDF, send it to an employer, or keep a copy of your professional details for later. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and tech guides. All right, let's get started. First, open LinkedIn and go to your own profile. To do that, click the Me icon at the top of the page, then select View Profile from the menu. This will take you straight to your LinkedIn profile page, where your headline, experience, education, and other details are displayed. Once you're on your profile, look for the Resources button in your Introduction section. This is the area near the top of your profile, usually under your name and headline. Click the Resources button to open a drop-down menu with a few different options. From that menu, choose Save to PDF. LinkedIn will then begin generating a PDF version of your profile automatically. Give it a moment to process, and your CV or profile summary will download directly to your device. After the file is downloaded, you can open it, review it, print it, or share it as needed. This is a very simple way to create a clean, professional copy of your LinkedIn profile without needing any extra tools or software. Just keep in mind that the PDF will reflect the information currently on your profile, so if you want the best possible CV version, make sure your headline, experience, and skills are fully updated before you download it. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.